I'm back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to teach you how to delete saved messages on Snapchat. For that, first of all, open up your Snapchat app on your phone. After you open up your app, you can see a chat icon on left hand side. Tap on it, or you can simply swipe from right to left. Here you will see the list of all of the ongoing chats you have. Select the conversation with the message that you want to delete. Tap and hold on the chat that you want to delete. There you can see that the message has been saved by everyone. Tap on unsaved in chat. Again, tap and hold the message. There you can see that I have already unsaved in chat. Now tap on delete. A pop-up message will appear on your screen asking if you're sure you want to delete. Tap on delete. This way you can easily delete saved messages on Snapchat. I hope this video was useful to you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel.